English for today for class 5 unit 7 the Sundarbans. যখন আমরা সুন্দরবন ইংলিশে উচ্চারণ করব তখন বলবো সুন্দরবনস সুন্দরবনস একটা ঝ উচ্চারণ আসবে সুন্দরবনস এবং স্ট্রেস ইন্টোনেশন ঠিক করে দিতে হবে 1.1 Look at the pictures, ask and answer the following questions in pairs. A. What do you see in the pictures? B. Where do these animals live? C. Have you ever visited a forest? 1.2 Listen and read. The Sundarbans is a large forest of mangrove trees in Bangladesh. It protects our country in many ways. The strong roots of the mangrove trees save the land from the big waves. The roots keep our lands safe from coastal erosion. The Sundarbans is in the southwestern part of Bangladesh. It is located in Khulna, Satkhira and Bagherhat districts. It was declared a World Heritage Site by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization in 1997. The Sundarbans provides a large number of wildlife. The Royal Bengal tiger, spotted deer, saltwater crocodile, Irrawaddy dolphins, and various types of beautiful birds are the main attractions of this forest. People visit here from home and abroad to enjoy the natural beauties and wildlife. The Sundarbans helps us in many ways. It guards our land from tsunamis, cyclones, and tidal waves. The Sundarbans is a habitat for many endangered animals. It is also a good source of palm leaves, wood, and honey. Local people collect these resources for their livelihood. To keep our country safe from natural disasters, we should protect the Sundarbans.